In this video, in 3 minutes, I would like to share with you how to replace the PCV valves on your favorite Nissan Titan, or it might be Nissan Armada. Everything you need to know, pretty easy, pretty simple, and yeah, let's get started. Nissan Titan V8 engine has two PCV valves. PCV valve located on top of the plastic valve cover, as you can see on the passenger side. That hose connects it to the intake manifold, and same way on the driver's side we see that PCV valve connected to the intake from the valve cover. Okay, we're going to replace those ones. Pretty easy. Let's disconnect the lines. And how often do I replace the PCV valves on my truck? Every 30,000 kilometers. Guys, if this video is helpful, thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. If you're not going to replace the lines, just undo the end from the valve. The line is removed, and as you can see, it's dry. It's old. Okay, 23 mil wrench. 23 is just over 7/8 to remove that PCV valve from the valve cover. Easy test for the PCV valve. When you shake it, you should hear that rattling sound, but this one is gunked up. Time to put a new ones. It is not worth cleaning the valve. They're pretty cheap. I got them like $5 online. Yeah, I always compare new part to old one I just removed. They're the same. Let's go and install the new one. Yeah. Okay, start that valve by hand. Make sure it's not cross-threaded, and then I'm going to tighten it with a wrench. Be careful, don't go too crazy because it's plastic threads. So it's snagged, it's not going anywhere. That's good. Okay, I'm going to replace the line. It's 3/8 emission fuel lines. I'm just replacing with that one. Just measure to length. And it is critically important to maintain your PCV system working properly, and PCV system removes the blow-by gases from the combustion chamber, which have leaked past the piston rings. And main thing, you will experience your seals starting to leak due to over pressurizing your crankcase. And yeah, just replace those valves regularly. One more on a driver's side, same way which we just did on the passenger side. Undo the hoses, remove the valves, install the new one, and yeah, pretty easy. And if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. Yeah, not functioning properly PCV system will affect the engine performance as well. Okay, as you can see, a new one is already getting in. 23 mil, same way we just did the passenger side. Let's connect the new PCV line. This one is hard solid, and yeah, time to replace with a new one. Okay, new line is installed, all nice and new. Guys, if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up. Very appreciated. And yeah, keep your truck maintained, and your truck will serve you well. Okay, as you can see, both valves are replaced with new ones, and we're good to go. Appreciated your time watching this video, and yeah, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.